everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be preparing for my spring break vacation and glowing up. I have a bunch of things I need to do before I go on vacation. I'm going on a little trip to California and there are a bunch of things I need to do before I'm like ready to go. My fake tan is looking terrible. My hair is just really grown out. I need to get my nails done. I have just like a whole bunch of things I need to do. So I just thought I would take you guys along with as I get ready. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of fun vlogs from my trips as well as some hauls and other fun things. So definitely make sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you like these types of videos and if you like to see some other videos like this on my channel. Comment below any fun trips you have planned or anything you like to do before you go on a trip. And let's just get into it. I'm actually about to leave and get my hair cut. My hair is super grown out. Like I used to have like actual like curtain bangs, but they are just so grown out. They never style good, but my hairdresser lives 40 minutes away. So I have just like been really lazy about going and getting my hair trimmed. It is not feeling fresh. It's very grown out. I think I'll feel a lot better once I get my hair cut. I'm literally just gonna get like a trim and then get my bangs cut. I'm gonna do them shorter than I did the last time because they do grow out so fast. That is pretty much the only appointment I have today. The rest of my appointments are pretty much all gonna be like a couple days before I leave for my trip. It is a few days later. I am absolutely loving my hair. I just think it looks so cute. I think it looks so good and it feels so fresh. I actually leave in a couple days for my trip. Right now it is Monday and I leave Thursday. Like I don't have a lot of time left and I really have not done much to prepare. All I've done is get a haircut. I have a lot to do, so today's gonna be a busy day and tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. I'm getting a pedicure and then I just have some random errands that I need to run actually before and after. I need to go to the post office on the way there and drop off some packages. Also, I'm definitely gonna get coffee. My favorite coffee shop is right by the post office. Then I need to maybe run some errands because I kind of want to get a disposable camera for my trip. I think that's really the only thing I need to get at Target. Let's go. Hi, could I have a large iced vanilla latte? I got my coffee, such a must, and now off to my pedicure appointment. So I got my pedicure, my feet are feeling nice and soft. That was so relaxing. So now I'm just gonna have to run into Target with flip-flops on while there's snow outside, so that's gonna be somewhat embarrassing. We're just gonna run in Target really fast to get a disposable camera. I might pick up two because I feel like my sister might want one as well. I got my nails done, just like the solid bright pink. I think this will look good with all of the outfits. Some of my outfits have pink, some of them are neutral, so I just thought this would look cute with like all of the outfits. So it is the next day. I leave in less than 12 hours, so it is officially crunch time. I feel like I've gotten a lot on my to-do list done, but like I still feel like I have a lot left to do. I just got a coffee. Also, I'm pretty sure this has like 3 shots of espresso in it. Like I said, I'll be on my way to the airport in less than 12 hours, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna be going to bed. I have to be like waking up at 1 a.m., which means I'm probably gonna be going to bed early, and I just got 3 shots of espresso in the middle of the afternoon, so probably wasn't the best idea. It is now time for my least favorite part of like going on vacation, prepping for vacation. This is the part that I don't like, and it is dropping my dogs off. This time I don't have to miss my dog as much because I literally have a t-shirt with his face on it. How cute. I'll show you guys kind of like what it looks like. I also have a phone case, picture, like a beautiful piece of artwork with his little face on it. Also a blanket. I'm not going to be able to fit all of that in my suitcase, so I will probably just be bringing the t-shirt on this trip, but I'm literally obsessed. And all of these pieces are from Pet Canva. I'm actually partnering with them on this video, so thank you so much to Pet Canva for sponsoring. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about them. If you're going on a trip and you're worried about missing your pets, you definitely need something from Pet Canva. Also, if you have any like birthdays or anything coming up, this would make a great gift for any pet lovers. I know everybody in my family would love something from Pet Canva because everyone in my family is obsessed with their pets. My grandma, my uncles, aunts, like everybody I know loves their pets. I'll show you guys what my dog looks like as well, so you can kind of see how Pet Canva captured his cuteness. If you guys haven't heard of Pet Canva, they are the industry leader in personalized pet products. With 100,000 plus happy customers, you can trust their process, products, and 100% happiness guarantee. You can immortalize any pet as a gift for yourself or for a friend or family member. Your customized artwork is unique to you and no one else. The products I have of my dog is gonna look different than anybody else's. Their artists professionally capture your pet's one-of-a-kind traits and weave them into the finished product. So you can really see on mine how they really look like my dog, and even like the facial expression, the eyes just really look like him. The customization process is really simple and easy. You just upload your photo and then you'll receive the artwork to approve in 48 hours. You have like a personal portal that you can approve the artwork on and also follow the progress of your order. And they have a lot of different like premier products to choose from. You can do blankets, towels, clothing, canvases, phone cases, posters, pillows, tote bags, mugs, puzzles, and more. Like there are so many options. So find your product, upload your photo, and start showing off your pet today. And until you're 100% happy with your artwork, you can request as many changes as you need. Pet Canva is a company made up of passionate pet parents who want to help you express your love for your pets. So definitely make sure to click the link below. I'm gonna have it at the very top of my description, and use code GRACE at checkout, or go to petcanva.com/grace for 25% off everything on the site. That is such a good deal. Once again, that's petcanva.com/grace, or just click the link below and use code GRACE for 25% off. Such a good deal. Definitely make sure to check them out. I'm literally obsessed. I love my t-shirt so much and all my other products. So yeah, I got my coffee. I'm just going to head over to my parents' house so I can help my mom take the dogs. My dad is at work. My sister is 3 hours away, so I'm gonna help her because our dogs are kind of crazy in the car. So let's just go take the dogs. Back home, as you can see, I do have a few random things I need to finish up. Like I need to put my Poshmark on vacation hold. I need to like go online and tell my credit card that I'm going out of town so I don't get like, it doesn't get like fraud, you know, like so it doesn't get like turned off because of fraud. I need to wash my makeup brushes because they are so dirty. I just have like a whole bunch of random things. I need to like make sure all my electronics are charged, and then I'm gonna do like a little at-home glow up. I definitely need a fresh fake tan for my trip, so I'm going to exfoliate all of my fake tan off, all of my old fake tan. If you guys watch my updated self-tan routine, I'll link it here. You guys know the process. And then I'm gonna do like a little at-home glow up with like some skincare. I need to pluck my eyebrows. Like I have a list. We're just gonna start with the random things and then do the glow up. I also kind of want to pick up my apartment, at least like kind of clean it, so that way when I come back from the trip, I can kind of come home to a clean apartment, because right now it is so messy. I know I look worse since the last time you saw me. Now it is time to glow up. I am not looking my best right now, but hopefully with the help of some fake tan and a few other things, I will be looking better in no time. I need to get this self tan on because it takes 8 hours to develop. First, I'm actually gonna do a little bit of teeth whitening with this Moon teeth whitening pen. I actually talked about this in a video like probably a year ago. I just use this every now and then, like kind of like whenever I want like a little boost with my teeth. I'll link it below. I'm just gonna do this. You literally just kind of brush it on. I was gonna do like a face mask or like some eye patches or something, but I am down to where the fake tan is not gonna have enough time to develop fully. I think I'm just going to go ahead and fake tan. I already kind of like did some skincare when I took my makeup off. I forgot to film it. I'm gonna be using the Loving Tan Platinum Ultimate Self Tanning Mousse. It's the brand new one, and I'll show you guys what I look like after. If you want to see the process, check out my self tanning video. I am back home. I just wanted to quickly end this vlog and say thank you so much for watching. That is everything I did to prep. Here is the finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to see more like glow up type videos like this, or prep with me if I go on any other trips soon. Definitely comment below some things you like to do if you are going on a trip. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Also make sure to check out Pet Canva. I'm gonna have a link here, and you can also click the link below. I love everything that I got from them, so definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful if you have any trips coming up, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.